Want to make your PowerPoint list stand out with smooth modern animation that wow your audience? In this video, I will show you how to create a list infographic animation using just Morph transition in PowerPoint. Let's get started and make your next presentation look professional and dynamic. First, go to Shape and choose the Parallelogram. Draw it on your slide and change its fill color to black. Then, go to Shape Outline, no outline to keep it clean. Now, press Ctrl D twice to create 3 parallelogram. This will be your list item. Insert a text box, type 1 and change the text box color to white. Center align, change the font and increase the font size. Select both the shape and the text box. Go to Arrange, align center and align middle. Now, duplicate this text box twice and rename them 2 and 3. Select all 3 shapes. Go to Animation, apply Float in. Then, open the animation pane and set the duration to 0.5 seconds. For some variation, make the middle one float down instead of up. This gives a nice alternating motion. Insert 3 text boxes for your actual list content. Keep them outside the slide area for now. We will bring them in later using Morph. Now, duplicate the slide and remove any exiting animation. Select the first shape, drag its yellow handle to make it a square and change its fill color. Use a different color for emphasis. Then, bring in the first text box from outside the slide. Change its font color to black and if needed, select the text box inside the shape and change it to white for contrast. Duplicate the slide again. Now, modify the second shape, turn it into a square and change its color. Move in the second text box and update its color as before. Repeat the same for the third shape and the third text box. Go back to the first slide. Duplicate it once more and place it at the end as slide 5. Remove any animation from that one. Now, select all slides. Go to Transition, apply Morph. When you play the slideshow, you will see your shape and text transform smoothly from one list item to the next, creating a modern, clean infographic animation. And that's it. You just created a professional list infographic animation using only Morph transition in PowerPoint. This technique is perfect for presentation, explainer, and infographic videos. And it works beautifully with icons, charts, or any creative layout too. If you like this PowerPoint trick, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Akshrika tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss creative PowerPoint lesson like this.